everybody. Susan LaCroix, demonstrator with Stampin' Up. I wanted to film a YouTube video today on the Everything is Rosy product medley. This is something new that Stampin' Up is doing. It's available during the month of May or while supplies last. So what I'm doing for people who want to order the medley, they can come over to my house on Saturday, May 18th, and we're going to do a Everything is Rosy crop. So it's from 11 to 3. I will supply the cardstock, the adhesive, we'll have a light lunch. I'll have lots of samples which I will show you that you can case what I've done. You can create your own. So anyway, you'll see this information again. I'm going to just move it off screen for a little bit and talk a little bit about the product medley. This, well, I guess we can call it a kit, is for avid stampers. It doesn't come with directions for making cards. It doesn't come with any samples or anything. It's for those of us who love to design and make our own products or our own projects. So let me tell you, show you what comes into it here. So here's the stamp set. Everything is Rosy. It's got multiple images of flowers and leaves, and the fonts. I love the fonts in this set. It's just really, really pretty. And it has a set of, so these are photopolymer, and it also comes with a set of framelits. So it's a whoop, upside down. There you go. All right, let's do that. So it comes with a full set. Some of the dies coordinate with some of the flowers on here. Some of the dies do not. This little edgelet doesn't, but you'll see it on a card. It's really pretty. So there's leaves and some of the other foliage. So full set of framelits, nice stamp set. I'm going to move that off. Okay. It comes with some designer series paper as well. First of all, you get 6 sheets of the rose gold foil. Very pretty, very pretty. And then here's the designer series paper, and you get, I believe, you get 8 each of 6 double-sided images. So this is one, this is the back side of that paper, and a lot of them have a lot of the rose gold foil in here as well. This is the back side of that one. There's some pretty pink dots, which coordinates real nicely with this one, which is a lot of little flowers and some of the rose gold foil. The back side of that is this pink sheet with different shades of pinks, little stripes. So here's one with Melon Mambo and some of the rose gold foil. The back of that is this navy striped, Night of Navy. Those are primarily the 2 colors in here. So some Night of Navy with some rose gold foil. The back of that sheet is this fun one. I think it's really pretty. And then we have this one with the flowers that has the foil in it. And then the back of that is this one. So lots of fun pages, and you get a lot of it. You really get a lot of this stuff. But that's not all. You also get some ribbon, full spools of this really pretty Melon Mambo ruched ribbon. And my personal favorite, this Night of Navy satin ribbon that's edged in rose gold foil. So those are the 2 ribbons you get. So lots of fun. Let's move that aside. But that's not all. There's more. We get some rose gold shimmer paint. And we get something new. This is kind of fun. These are called foil mirror dots. And there's a little film over each of the dots that you have to peel off. You'll see them on some cards, and we'll be using some too. So, but it's just a fun little element, something different. So I'm going to move that over here. And now we're going to get started. I'm going to just show you a couple cards with this set. So the first one we're going to make, we're going to use a Melon Mambo. Oh, I forgot something. My apologies. I forgot that we get 2 sets, 2 sheets each of these fun labels. And I've been using this, so I'm sorry that they're all kind of popping off here. But you get 2 sheets each of these. And then you also get a couple sheets of these die-cut flowers. So if you don't want to stamp, you can just already use the die cuts and pop them up. So there we go. All right. I don't think I need this. I'm going to set this over here. And for this card, I need this one. And I need this one for the other cards. I'm just going to take those off now and then move these out of the way. All right. So the first one we're going to use, we're going to have a Melon Mambo card base. And we're going to stamp, oh come on, stay down here. We're going to stamp some flowers on the bottom in Melon Mambo, so tone on tone look. I was at my daughter's in another state this past weekend, and she gifted me, well, okay, you know what I need? I need a foam pad underneath this. So photopolymer stamps, so make sure you have some kind of foam under there to help with your stamping. So here we go. All right, let's try this again. All right, so we're gonna stamp some flowers. Anyway, I was at my daughter's. Well, my goodness, why is that doing that? All right, let me get this up here a little bit. Let's try this one more time. Otherwise, we're going to have just a badly stamped card. There we go. Goodness gracious. All right, so we're going to just stamp a few more here. Well, all right. You get the idea. Wow, okay. And then we're going to stamp our thank you on this little guy. So as long as we have our ink out, we're going to go ahead and stamp thank you in the middle of this. So hopefully that will stamp well. Okay, good deal. Wow. All right. Then we're going to put our designer series paper and mat it on our Night of Navy. Here. Da, 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 da. Okay. And I punched a circle of Night of Navy to glue this on. Maybe I should just start this video right over, huh? Put this on here like so. All right, and we're going to glue this on here. Cover up that bad spot, right? And then I'm going to take some Dimensionals and pop this sucker up. Little trick I learned in one of the conventions when it was so hot and we couldn't get the backings off the Dimensionals. If you stick your nail into it, then it works. All right, so now we're going to take a couple of these guys. I think I just, no, that's fine, okay. So I'm going to put one there. One on this side, and then we'll kind of, I can poke the, get this little film off so you can see it. It'll be better with my nail. There we go. Okay. So there is the card. Let me show you the better stamped card. So pretty quick and easy for that one. All right, for the next card, we'll use a Night of Navy base. I don't think I ever really realized how well Night of Navy and Melon Mambo coordinate. So we're going to take this piece of designer series paper, and I already die cut the edge of this. So I'm just going to take a little snail, run it along this edge, and line this up here. Aha, the other way. All right. There we go. And we're going to go ahead and snail this onto the card base. I'm going to kind of go off this edge, I think, a little bit. These really make up quite quickly. So I'm going to take this label from the set, and we're going to do a congratulations card. We're going to stamp that in Night of Navy. Again, boy, I just love this font. I think it's just a real fun one. Just a little congratulations right there. Put some dimensionals on this bad boy. Get the ink out of the way. I think it's fun that Stampin' Up! Is doing something a little bit different. Like I said, this is geared towards those of us who are avid stampers. Come off there. So there you go. A nice little congratulations card. And I really think this one would work for either gender, men, women. I think it's just really pretty. Let me show you some other cards that I've made with this product medley. This was one, this technique of doing this little quilt card we saw this at Onstage down in Charlotte, and so this is my version of it. And these are 1 1/4 inch squares that's glued onto a 2.5 by 2.5 square of any color because you can't see it. And then I took some other 1 1/4 inch squares, just 2 other designs. In this case, I did the copper foil and this little design, and then I cut those in half. And then just the long edge kind of came out. So just glued those on around this. And then I had stamped and die cut out the flower and the leaf. And I put another one of those little dots in the center of that. Stamped, may your birthday be filled with pretty things. And made that card. So that was a fun card to make. Let's see, here's another one. Just using some designer series paper. Stamped the label. Popped off a little die cut. Put a little banner behind this one. And there is this guy on white, and then I took a strip of the rose gold foil and then a piece of the ribbon over that too, and just kind of did a stacked image of that. And this one just using again some of the real pretty ribbon, which is matted on a strip of the rose gold foil paper, some of the designer series paper, on one of the die cut images, stamped a greeting on the label. So these came together pretty fast. And here's one using just some panels that again are mounted on the rose gold foil paper with a ruched ribbon bow, little strip of the Melon Mambo kind of behind it to kind of bring out the pink. And I think I have one more. There we go. So this one, again, just uses some of the designer series paper, some of the rose gold foil, some of the petal pink paper to kind of contrast with it a little bit. Another one of those little dots in the middle of that little flower. And so this is what I've been working on the last little bit and just having a ball. So again, if you're local to me and you're interested, what you can do is you can go on to susanlacroix.stampinup.net, go to my online store, and order the product medley, or I can order it for you and have it here by Saturday, May 18th. We'll come over. You don't have to stay for the whole 4 hours. You can just kind of come and go as you please. We'll have a light lunch. Again, I'll provide the cardstock bases and adhesives, and we'll have some fun making cards. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more of my videos. And I appreciate feedback. So thank you very much, and happy stamping, everyone.